Welcome to South Africa, a country where diversity of color and culture is a special feature of our society. The biological differences between us as South Africans at one time enslaved us all. We were defined by our hair, our language, and the color of our skin. Those days are mercifully behind us, and most of us have begun to value the attributes of the other and to learn that the bonds of our common humanity far outweigh the cultural and ethnic differences between us. Biological differences are something inherent, something you can do nothing about, and therefore they are defining of you as a person. And that is what is so special about each one of us. Look around you. There are no duplicates. God makes each individual as an individual, and as if he sees each one of us as perfect, he breaks the mold. No one is the same as you. No one on earth has your gifts, your voice, your way of walking. It is as if there was a specific space made for you, and only you can fill it. Indeed, the world was waiting for you to be born. With God, there are no accidents. Each individual is created to God's intention and divine plan, breathed upon by the Spirit of God to give us the gift of life, including our sexuality. It is that gift that we celebrate this evening and throughout this festival. Our sexuality is an inspiration for goodness, for beauty, for understanding, for curiosity, for creativity, for laughter, and for love. It defines each one of us. Accept God's gift and become the beautiful creature, gay or straight, that God intends each one of us to be. God made you, and God made you beautiful, and no one can ever take that away from you. God bless you.